Breaking news is coming in. Bollywood actor Arjun Rampal has reached the Narcotics Control Bureau office. He's going to be grilled in connection with the drug case as the NCB has found banned substances from his house on Tuesday. Divyesh is joining us live. Divyesh, what are the banned substances that have been found from Arjun Rampal's house at the moment? He's being grilled by the NCB. He's reached the NCB. He's going to be grilled in connection. What are these contrabands?
Cheti, the seized drug that was found at Arjun Rampal's residence on Monday was tramadol tablets. Tramadol tablets are scheduled under the Narcotic Drug and Psychotropic Substances, and people who are prescribed tramadol for treatment need to have a prescription. When asked about these tablets which were seized from the residence of Arjun Rampal and his live-in partner Gabriela said that they had prescription for the same, but when they were asked to produce this prescription, they could not produce any such prescription to the NCB officials who had searched their residence. Gabriela was questioned twice after that, and after that, now Arjun Rampal has just arrived at the Narcotics Control Bureau and he'll be quizzed by NCB officials. According to NCB officials, they have proof, they have evidence that Arjun Rampal and Gabriela had links with the drug network. They have electronic evidence with them, and on basis of the same, a search was conducted at their residence in Bandra, post which tramadol tablets were seized from their residence. Other than that, tablets, mobile phones of Arjun Rampal, Gabriela are being scanned by the Narcotics Control Bureau officials. Also, Agesialos, who's the brother of Gabriela, has been in custody of Narcotics Control Bureau. He has 2 cases registered against him, and Agesialos had links with a number of drug peddlers and also with drug cartels operating in Southeast Asia as well as the African continent, and that is why he was placed under arrest in a second case by the Narcotics Control Bureau when his links with a Nigerian drug peddler identified as Omega Godwin came to light. During
the Divyesh, question is, what is the sense that you're picking up from your sources in the NCB at the moment? Was Arjun Rampal, according to the NCB sources, from the information that they've gathered and the searches that they've conducted, the grilling that they've done, was he a consumer? Was he somebody who was involved with the distribution of these drugs as well? I'm considering the fact that there are some links that have come in with the Nigerian drug peddler as well. What is the sense of the NCB that you're picking up in terms of Arjun Rampal's role in this entire drug net?
Chati, as of now, NCB officials have found links of Arjun Rampal with a few drug peddlers, including brother of his live-in partner, Agesialos Dimitriadis, who has direct links with Nigerian drug peddlers and also various drug peddlers operating in Mumbai, and that is why he was placed under arrest. Now, Arjun will be quizzed. Gabriela was questioned regarding the same for 2 days. Now, Arjun will be quizzed for the same. It is suspected, again, we emphasize that it is suspected that Arjun, other than being a consumer, other than consuming drugs, was also he's suspected of distribution of drugs, and that is why he's being interrogated. He'll be questioned, and only once he's questioned, things would be more clear on the same, whether he was a distributor, whether he was part of a drug network that was involved in distribution of banned narcotic drugs in Mumbai or to other Bollywood actors as well.
All right, Divyesh, we'll keep coming back to you for more. At the moment, visuals you've seen across your screens is of Arjun Rampal entering the NCB office for grilling. Remember, the heat is now on Arjun Rampal, his girlfriend, Gabriela Dimitriades, and Gabriela's brother, Agesialos Dimitriades, who's already been arrested. We're getting some more breaking news coming.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.